guys, my name is Tiffany Hansen with Hooked for Hope, and I'm back with another giveaway. Another milestone has been hit. Another goal has been achieved. I have hit 10,000 subscribers, and my mind is blown. 10,000 subscribers was a number that I had on a board of when will I hit this? Will I be able to hit this? And I have, and I am so I'll at a loss for words how happy I am that I have 10,000 people subscribed to my channel, that watch my videos, that support my dream, that are there with me, following me, and it's a beautiful thing. I love you all. Thank you so much for being so amazing. Oh, so we are going to celebrate. We have to celebrate. 10,000 subscribers. It's a huge deal. In fact, I even realized as I was watching myself approaching 10,000 subscribers that I needed to reach out to my followers on social media, on my Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and ask them, hey, what will make you excited? What giveaway could I do that would make you excited? Because this is exciting. It's a huge deal. I want to make you excited too. So I presented 3 different options to my followers on my social media. One option was, what if the prize was a box full of everything that I've made, or almost everything that I've made in tutorials? I have so many amazing things that I could pop in that box and that you could either use yourself or give as a gift or do such amazing things with. So that was one option. My second option was a box full of my favorite yarn, a value of at least $50 being sent directly to you. And the third option was a $50 Amazon gift card. Now, everybody has a different reason to be excited for each one of these options. So I realized the feedback I was getting from people was pretty level all across the board. So I decided that the winner of this 10,000 subscriber celebration giveaway is going to get to choose. Your choice is going to meet your need. What's going to make you most excited? A box full of creations I've made for my tutorials, a box of my favorite yarn valuing of at least $50, or an Amazon gift card valuing of $50. So how do you enter this awesome giveaway? So we're celebrating my subscribers. So you have to be a subscriber to actually win, okay? Because I'm celebrating you. I'm thanking you. So if you want to enter in this giveaway, you have to be a subscriber. Secondly, you need to like this video. So just take care of that right now and push the thumbs up button and like this video. Show some love. Show the celebration spirit. And third, I want you to comment below on what you look for when you get onto YouTube. What videos make you excited? What do you search for? Because that's what we get on YouTube for. We're looking for inspiration. We're looking for things that we want to make and just get us excited, right? So when you get on YouTube, what crochet tutorials do you seek? What makes you excited? And now I'm not asking in regards to needing ideas. I don't need any ideas. Believe me, I have so many tutorial crochet video ideas on deck, ready to go, that I can't wait to show you. It is unreal and crazy, and I just struggle with prioritizing my time and prioritizing my videos. So I want to know what videos I can pull from that stash of ideas that I have waiting to go that's going to excite you. Okay, so again, what you're winning, you could either win a box full of amazing crocheted tutorial items that I have made in my tutorials. B, you could get a box full of my favorite yarn valuing of at least $50. Or C, you could get a $50 Amazon gift card. All you have to do to win is be a subscriber, like this video, comment below what video crochet tutorials do you seek, do you get excited about. Sound good? Okay, so I'm going to give you a week to pile up as many people, as many subscribers to help celebrate, to help engage, to help get excited. And I'm going to announce the winner on Tuesday, May 26th. Tuesday, May 26th at 1 p.m. I'll go live like I've done before. I am an introvert, people. I am so sorry if I'm quiet and shy on my live videos. I am not normally just full of energy. I just get real quiet and I'm like, hi everybody. But that, I mean, I will work on it. I will try to be a lot more energetic with you with the live go when I announce the actual winner of this giveaway. I just want to say thank you so much. Thank you so much for being a subscriber. Thank you so much for watching my tutorials, watching my videos, asking me questions, giving me feedback and compliments and encouraging me and driving my reason, my dream. Just thank you so much. I appreciate all of you so much. Well, go ahead and enter right now. Let's get to it, and I will see you live next week. That's 1 week with the winner. Have a wonderful day, guys. I will see you very soon. Bye.